Ciao, it's Monica, aka Browning, aka Where a Girl Travels. Yes. So I got another little tip for you guys today. Laundry. Yeah, you may not care about it, but I do. I am here in Mexico, where this is one of my other residences now. I live in Mexico now on a part-time basis. But yeah. So this is my laundry. This is all the laundry. Actually, I realized they still have some of my laundry, so I still have another blanket, and I'm missing like two little pillowcases for one of the sheet sets. So I have to go back to the laundry because I'm missing a bag of stuff. So I gotta go back. Yeah, I had a whole bunch of stuff. But at the end of the day, still with all of this and the ones that's missing, I only paid 410 pesos for all of this laundry. For the wash, for the dry, fold up. I folded up a little bit better because I'm real anal about folding up laundry. My clothes, I have a problem with those. But a lot of these are gonna get hung up in my closet. See, I have a walk-in closet back there. But yes, let me tell you what I got here. So I have five washcloths. What are these washcloths? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 washcloths. Then I have these are tights and shots. So that's 3, 4, 5 of those. I have these are bedclothes. I took one out of the pile because I put it on. But I have 4. It was 4. I have dresses. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dresses. Then I have some shirts here. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shirts. I have 1, 2, 3 sheet sets, because this is 2 sheet sets, because I have 2 twin beds. So yeah, so 3 sheet sets, or 4 actually. 4. Here's another one. Sorry. 2 blankets. So this is 2 blankets here. Nice plushy ones. This is ones that feel so nice. I love it. This is a bed cover. There's just 3 rugs. 1, 2, 3. 3 rugs. And we have a beach towel and 4 hand towels. So these are all the things that I had washed, including some of the things that I still have to go back to the laundry and get because they're not here. And there was other little personal garments, undergarments and things that were in there, but you don't need to see all of that. That is not none of your business. None of your business. So yeah, so this is my laundry. I drop it off. It's right on the corner. It's just, just a few feet away from where I'm living. And I get washed and dry. But hands down, I used to live in Jamaica. I have to say, my Jamaicans wash better. Yeah, I'm biased. But yeah, they wash better. But I appreciate that the services is here for me to be able to utilize the service. So big ups to the people here in Mexico, in Playa del Carmen, in my area, which I am in Los Olivos. And this is how I'm living. If you would like more information on how to actually leave and live in another country, either temporarily or permanently, hit me up in my inbox. Click like, subscribe, and comment on if you would like more information, how you like this video. I really appreciate you all. Oh, I forgot my bod suit there. There's like 3 bod suits because I really haven't been going in no water since I got back because I've been working. I got so much work I'm backed up on. But yeah. And if you want also more information on how to travel and not spend a lot of money, then yes, hit your girl, Roller Girl Travels up. Click like, subscribe, and definitely put your comments in there. If there's anything else that you would like to see from me, because you may have been watching me or you may be new to watching me. So if you watch some of my videos via YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook, then definitely, TikTok, made up on TikTok too. Talk. So yeah, if there's anything else or a country that you may want to travel to, and maybe I've been to it, but I just haven't been able to get the content up as yet because I have a lot of content. Let me know which country you would like to see more of or see some information on, some content, and I may just have it and I can share it with you via my YouTube. So I appreciate you all for watching and subscribing to my channel. And this is Monica, aka Browning, aka Rural A Girl Travels, and me Ocha in Mexico. Ciao.